How to fix VAN 185 error code in Valorant. And first things first, before we will execute the troubleshooting steps, make sure that your Valorant application is not currently under process or not running. To make sure is just right click on your taskbar and go to Task Manager. And from here, double check under processes if your Valorant is running. If it is running, just simply click on that, for example, and then click on End Task. You'll also have to double check it under Services and Performance. And from here, if anything or if everything is already been currently not running, then all you have to do at first is make sure that your Windows is updated to the latest version. Just simply head to your Windows icon and tap in Windows Update. Now go ahead with check for updates, which will take you to your system settings. And from here, you'll be able to know if your Windows or your operating system needs to be updated because there will be an update button that's going to be here. Now, not most of the time that your current Windows is automatically be updated by itself. You'll just have to do it manually for you to be able to um, play the game smoothly without any problems. Now, if the issue still persists, then all you have to do is to uninstall your Valorant application or software on your PC. To check that, just go to the Windows icon and type in add or remove programs, which is again will take you out to your system settings. And from here, you'll be able to see apps and features, and you'll just have to look for Valorant. For example, this one, just click on uninstall. And once everything is uninstalled, just go directly to the Valorant's official website and download the latest version of the game. So those are the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix VAN 185 error code in Valorant.